Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So I do have on my Luxie nail builder gel. I always keep that on as a base, and I have applied 2 coats of Hollow Taco Pilly base for easy removal. So I will be using this color XOXO from GlitterandGrace dip powder, which is just a shop on Etsy, and I will also be using my Odorless dip liquids from Color My World Dips, which is also a shop that can be found on Etsy. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So guys, because this is a sample size jar, I am pouring the dip powder in a disposable dip tray. I got those off Amazon. They are absolutely dreadful to pull apart. Like, I'm using every bit of strength I have and tweezers to pull them apart. I don't recommend this particular brand that I purchased. And I don't remember what the brand was because I got a bunch of them quite some time ago. So just as a reminder, you want to apply your base in thin, even layers across the nail. And since I am using odorless dip liquids, remember low odor equals slow drying. So anytime, again, and I can't be mad at that. So far I've used the odorless dip liquids from Color My World Dips and Triple D, and there was nothing really bad about either one of them, and they're just slow drying. You have to keep that in mind, but I can appreciate them because I do not develop dip flu when I use these, and I don't have to wear my respirator. So guys, I would normally use a soft bristle toothbrush to dust off the excess dip powder before my second application or second coat of dip powder, but since this is a slow drying liquid, you have to lightly go over your nail with a nail brush to remove excess. So this color I thought was absolutely pretty. However, it was hard to pick up those glitter pieces. Usually, you get too much glitter on your nail, but after that second coat, I end up individually placing glitter, picking it up out of the container and putting it on my nails, which was a tad bit tedious, but it is what it is. So the good thing with that is slow drying liquids, or not slow drying, odorless liquids, is that you can take your time and place glitter pieces and move it around. So with my thumbnail, I don't know why, but all of a sudden I'm on this kick of doing a French tip on my thumbnail. I think it's just cute. Y'all have to let me know what you think. So I'm applying the dip powder, and then I'm going to, instead of laying my finger flat in the disposable dip tray, I'm going to just insert it in the powder on the edge there until I get it where I want it to be. And then I'm going to finish off the rest of the nail with S&S Natural Set Sheer. Now, I am concerned about doing that on all my nails. I have yet to do a French tip on all of my nails, but again, y'all know I think a lot of stuff is cute. I thought this set turned out absolutely fabulous, and I thought it was just too cute. I was mad it popped off the next day. So that's the thing with peel off base coat. If you want longevity, don't use it. Do the proper nail prep, and if you want your nails to last, you do avoid peel off base coat at all costs. So I'm just going in, and instead of doing this a second time, I'm individually placing glitter pieces, because of course with a French tip you're not going to pick up a lot of glitter. So this this dip powder had glitter pieces. It had lips, and then it had hexagonal red and white glitter pieces, and it also had pink hearts, which it was kind of hard to pick that up out the powder. I sped this portion up because it took me a good minute. So I did that on my thumbnail, individually placing glitters, and I also did it on my middle finger. Now I will say, when I did that with these odorless dip liquids, and when I say did that, place the individual glitter pieces, I then went in and applied some S&S Natural Set Sheer, which is clear, on top of that, because my nails, they still looked wet after I did the placement of the glitters. It was like they never dried, and so they didn't completely dry until after I placed the glitter. I applied clear dip powder on top of that right away without putting another layer of dip base on there. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so after I laid my finger, I applied more of the clear on top of the glitter nails. I'm going in with the Diva Dip from the Triple D's Diva Box. This is the only color that I did not use in a mini yet out of that box. So I was like, I'm going to use that. I paid for this box. I'm going to use these colors out of that box. I got to get more into using my subscription boxes. Like I get Sparkling Co's dip subscription box. Y'all ain't seen me do a mini in a long time with the Sparkling Coat subscription box. I feel like it's just wasting money. But y'all, let me tell y'all something happened with this dip powder, and I'm gonna leave the clip in there because I spilled it, and again, I'm gonna leave it in there, so I hope it doesn't scare anybody because it changes, you know, it's kind of loud. But I was so mad, I spilled red everywhere, and I was like, what the heck, I got it all on my right hand. Just disrespectful. Oh, I made a mess. Did y'all see that mess? I spilled the doggone dip powder down. I'm surprised I didn't cuss when I spilled it. But I'm like, Red, why you do me like that? Why did you do me like that? Red is everywhere. So whenever you do your nails, make sure you protect your surface. And I don't know why the heck I was polishing that nail so slow. Somebody gonna tell me something. I don't know. But anyway, so guys, I'm going in with the second coat of that red on my ring finger, and then I will not encapsulate and clear, and I'll go in and activate, and I'll be back for the top coat and rhinestone placement. So guys, I completed my filing and buffing off camera as usual. If you want to see my filing and buff routine, I'll try to remember to link a video in the card. So after I've done my filing and buffing, I remove the nail dust with a brush, and then I spray water on my nails, and I dry them off, of course. So I'm going in with activator because I'm going in with dip top coat, not gel polish. And so I'm giving that time to dry, and usually about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to go in with my lint-free towelette. I get these off Amazon, love them, nice and soft, and I'm just swiping those over my nails to remove any excess activator. So with the top coat, the first coat, of course, just like with any dip top coat, is you want to do as quickly as possible and as few swipes across the nail as possible. So usually it's about 3. Sometimes I do a little bit more because I forget what I'm doing, and I am wiping my brush off on a paper towel off to the side. You just can't see it. And then I will wait a few minutes, probably about 1 to 2 minutes, and give that top coat, that first coat, time to wrinkle. And that's how you'll know it's time to go in with the second coat, because I think my thumb is wrinkling. I don't know if you can really see that on camera. So I'm going to go in and place rhinestones. You don't need gel polish to place rhinestones. However, whenever you're placing rhinestones and using the dip powder top coat, you got to be pretty quick because it dries pretty quickly. And so you have to be real precise about how you're placing your rhinestone on your nail, because again, it dries quickly, so you don't have enough time. And so that second coat, you can be more precise and also cap the free edge. So I'm placing rhinestones on my ring finger and my index finger, just one single rhinestone at the base of my nail. And then I'm going to place that cute little pink bow. I thought it was so cute. I think I got those off Algel Beauty, the bow. I'm going to place that on my my thumbnail. So the reason why I waited to do my thumbnail, even though I did that first, is because I didn't want that bigger bow, that rhinestone, to move. So I saved my thumb for last with the second coat. And then I end up doggone moving it too much, and by the time I tried to move it back, it was dry. That's how fast this particular top coat dried, which is normal for most top coats. So I'm just moving that around. I thought that was so cute. Y'all can't tell me this ain't cute. But anyway, so after my nails dried down, usually you give it a few minutes, probably less than 5 minutes. These didn't take that long to dry, but look how shiny that top coat is. But y'all, this was just the cutest set. I just, in my opinion, y'all have to definitely let me know what you think. So if you found value in this video, if you liked it, you want to like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I do respond. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free. So as usual, guys, I'm going in with my favorite cuticle oil. This is Sugar Cookie by Cuticle Candy Skincare. I have a lot of different scents. I have a subscription to that too, but I think I'm gonna cancel it because there's a lot of cuticle oil. I can't go through all that cuticle oil. But anyway, so I'm just massaging that in. And again, guys, I appreciate you. I thank you for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.